everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing this care package from DeWalt Footwear. This is a company I've worked with over the years. They've been very good to me, sent me boots and other items in the past. I have a couple other videos, check those out if you haven't seen them. But in today's box, I'm going to show you what they sent. So first off, I do see a couple hats. And this is like the trucker style. This one says DeWalt Guaranteed Tough. This is 100 years of innovation. They are adjustable on the back and there's mesh so they're breathable. There's a second one also. And they have other hats online. I believe they're in the $29.99 range. I will include links in the description of this video to that. But yeah, they are adjustable. Here's a look at the inside and a close-up look at both of them. Here's what they look like on. Very nice, I like those. Okay, and it looks like they've included a couple carpenter's pencils, which are always nice. I'm always looking for a pen or pencil. I don't know if these are available on their website or if this is more a promo type thing, but I did get 6 of those. Ooh. I believe this is on their website currently, I think just in men's sizes. Now there's a black one. I want to say that they call this their carrier t-shirt, I think is what this is called. Don't quote me on that. But I believe on the website they have it in like black, gray, and yellow in the $24.99 range. So there it is in black. There is writing on the sleeve that says Guaranteed Tough. Also a side yellow tag here that says DeWalt on it. Nothing on the back. The back is just plain. And this is, it feels like cotton, maybe a little bit of acrylic or something. Where is the tag? Oh, there was a tag. Somebody cut out the tag. I don't know, maybe this was on display. So let me see if I can find. They also sent a green one. I love that. I mean, everything doesn't have to be yellow and black, but I really do like the green. I don't see the tag on that one either. However, one of the other packages they sent to me, which I never filmed, was other t-shirts like this that were ladies. So I don't know if they're gonna put these back on their website, but they had a nice, like a purple color. And this is the Bloomberg women's t-shirt is what it was called. They also sent it in an aqua blue. Okay, this one does have a tag. 60% cotton, 40% polyester. And I also got it in like a tan. Oh, that's nice. Now some of these other colors are a little feminine, not that there's, I mean, anybody can wear whatever color they want. This is one that to me strikes me as a little more masculine or very neutral. As far as a color, like you could throw that on with the flannel. These you'd have to have something it's a little bit harder to match. But this is a nice neutral for men and women. So there it is. It's like a tan color and it has the same attributes as the other ones I just mentioned. Okay. So last but not least is a pair. This is a nice note that they wrote me, which I won't share publicly, but here is a pair of brand new boots. Okay, so this is the Flex Albany, like Albany, New York. The model number is DXWP10161. It is built on the popular Flex outsole, which is oil and slip resistant. It does have a suede leather upper and a pull tab in the back of the boot, which I love because you can easily slip it on and off. When I'm working outside here in my shop, I frequently make trips into the house. So a slip-on boot is very convenient for me. They do not have steel toes. They are soft toes, just FYI. The products come in full sizes 5 through 11 and half sizes from 5.5 to 9.5. And I believe they're already online in the men's, but they're going to be coming available for women. They run in the $105 range. They do work, I would think, as not only just a work boot, but also as a fashion boot. They're lightweight and comfortable, but I would definitely pair those with jeans and like a tank top and maybe like a flannel shirt. I would wear that to go like to the movies, to dinner. There's a close-up look at the sole. They do have like this goring, I believe that's called. So that does stretch so that you can easily get, if you have a high instep, you should not have a problem with getting your foot down into that. And they just smell really nice. They have, let's see, the lining says antibacterial, heel has cushion, and also it is moisture wicking. So I'm gonna try to get a shot at the inside of that. And I doubt that it just pops right out. It does pop right out. All right, here's a good look at that. And you can see that it is very soft and spongy. Hopefully that picks up on the camera, but yeah, there's all the attributes of that. So maybe, you know, if you're working in these and they're sweating, maybe they're meant to come out so you can kind of wash them, dry them, and they slip right back in. I did not know about that. I don't have any information as far as weight, but they really don't weigh very much. Here's a close-up look to it. There's a little bit more information. This is electrical hazard protection, safe, oil and slip resistant, which I told you about earlier, and it does have a 30-day comfort guarantee. If you have any questions beyond the things I covered, please leave them for me in the comments, and I will reach out directly to the rep that sent this to me and find those answers for you. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also find me. I'm on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook as well. As always, thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.